Hi there, Julia here. I want to show you what I bought from MetalCloak. They had a great sale this last week, 15% off all suspension and 10% off site-wide. So I decided to go ahead and get the control arms I was missing. The difference between the true dual rate lift and the Game Changer lift is the Game Changer comes with all 8 control arms and the rear track bar. And the true dual rate lift only comes with 2 control arms, the upper front, and it doesn't come with the rear track bar. So I had already purchased the rear track bar, and that is already installed on my Jeep. So I just needed these 6 remaining control arms to morph my lift into the Game Changer. And that's kind of the beauty of MetalCloak, and maybe that's true with other companies as well, but it's kind of modular. You know, you can start, because at the time I didn't want to spend, I think it's about $2,500 or $2,600 for the Game Changer lift. I didn't want to spend that much, so I just bought the true dual rate Rock Sport lift. And now that I'm working for UPS and making some extra money, I decided to go ahead and get those control arms. And I already bought the track bar, so now my lift is the Game Changer, 2.5-inch Game Changer. So let me show you what they look like. All right, and here they are. These are the, these are the rear upper control arms. And then this set is the front lower, and I already have the front uppers on my Jeep. And then this set is the, lower rear. So lower rear, lower front, and upper rear. So now, once this gets installed, I will have the Game Changer lift. And my mechanic, Nate's Precision in Sparks, Nevada, will be installing that for me. I'm also going to get the MetalCloak rock slider with flip step. So I will have Nate order that though, and then I'll have him install that and these towards the end of January when I'm done with UPS. And so that is it. Those are my beautiful and heavy control arms. They are nice. Really nice joints. Adjustable. So I am looking forward to having these installed. I am not looking forward to putting them back in the box because they were packed very well. MetalCloak always does a great job of packaging everything, and so wish me luck getting these back in the box. All right, that's it for now. Bye-bye.